surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm an M&M. Wherever I've told recently that I'm going to be doing this makeup look, every time I say M&M, they think the rapper and they're like, what? Like, how are you going to do that? Are you going to do like a transformation? And I'm like, no, I'm going to be a M&M. I was inspired by this photo. I'll have it come up on the screen. And I was like, oh, she's glam. And that is how we're here. I kind of feel like I have to do the inside out characters, I feel like now. Let me know if you want to see that in the comments down below. But yeah, so if you would like to see how I became this glam M&M, then please keep watching. So obviously I start by painting my whole face green, and I'm using a Snazzy face paint to do this. I'm actually wearing some contact lenses that I got sent by TTDI. I have a discount code with them, so if you want to get 10% off, I'll have a link in the description down below, and my discount code is Brooke Ellis. I prime my eyes using the MAC paint pot in Painterly as always, and I set that with a translucent powder before going straight in with a green eyeshadow. This is a darker green to the green face paint that I've already put on, and I start to blend this into my crease. Once I've done that, I finish painting my face with a green face paint. I then get a darker green face paint and put it on a beauty sponge and blend this around the outside of my face. I do not contour in this look because I'm a round M&M and they don't have contour. I then create a really light coloured green pigment and make a cut crease. Going into a black face paint, I then fill in my brows. Using that light green pigment, I then apply some of it underneath the arch of my brow as a highlight. I then use the ink blot gel eyeliner to line my lid, and I don't have a wing with this, which is so weird because if I apply eyeliner I always have a wing, but no, this is just a normal liner on the lid. Just to contour my eyes a little bit more, I get that dark green eyeshadow and apply a little bit of it underneath my eyes. I then apply some mascara before applying my Tinker Beauty lashes in the style Natalie. I then dip the end of one of my makeup brushes in a black face paint to create the beauty mark. Using a green eyeliner pencil, I then outline my lips before going in with the Kylie Cosmetics metallic lipstick in the shade Monster. I had to wear this lipstick in this look because it is a really dark green, and when else are you going to wear a green lipstick like this? I then go into a white face paint and start to paint on the M on my chin. This is the final look, and I know it's weird, but I really love it. I really love it. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below so I know that you liked it, and also leave me a comment on if there's any other like sweets or candy that you would like me to do, or just any characters or anything in general. Let me know in the comments down below. If you would like to see some more like close-up photos of this look, then make sure you follow me on my Instagram. My name is @brooke.ellis_, and I also film on my stories while I'm filming these tutorials. So if you go on my stories, you'll see a bit of behind the scenes type things as well. If you do not want to miss any more weird, crazy tutorials like this one, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below as well, and that notification bell so you do not miss a single post, because sometimes I'm posting twice a week, sometimes 5 times a week. I don't know, depends how many ideas I've got. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye!